Hey guys, this is Arshal here and I got something new, and here's the unboxing that I'm going to do. It's the wrong tool for unboxing, but this is what I would find right now. The tape is stuck. Let's throw that away, and I think this should be enough. And here's what we have. This is RayBan Meta wayfarers. Box doesn't feel that premium, I don't know why, but let's see. You can see it's sealed. So there are two seals over here. There's one down here. This is the first one. I think this must be the warranty card. It's stuck now. Let's go ahead with this one. Listen call live stream. Oh, nice. This is nice. What's this? I think this is just a padding. Maybe this. Okay, this is the cloth to clean. And here we have the guide. This is how you connect it. We'll connect it later. So this is great. Like, I love the way they have packed it. This is the warranty card and the safety instructions. And here we have the case. I think there might be something else. Maybe. Nope. The case is premium. Let's open it. Okay, I don't know what that was. It said pull, but I messed up, I guess. And these are the glasses. So you can see me wearing a helmet because that's the mount that I have. And this is the case. And here is the charging point that attaches to the glasses, and this might be the battery. And here's the USB port. I'm not sure it comes with a USB port on a USB cord or not. Like, I can't see the USB cord here. So this is it. These are the RayBan Meta glasses. And I've seen, I don't know why it says P over here. This is the first time I've seen it. You can see the LED blinking over here. I think it booted up. It's very sturdy and like joints are very premium. So this is it. We'll see you in the next video.